Welcome to our Fitnessgadgets YouTube channel. Today we will show you 5 best treadmills with automatic incline. The 5 best under-desk treadmills with incline will be joined by the much-loved interactive Slim Auto Incline Treadmill and the Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Folding Auto Incline Smart Treadmill.so. Let's take a look at the best incline treadmills that are auto incline treadmills for office or home.so. Let's see. Before that, by giving a like to the video, you can let us know what kind of Fitnessgadgets product reviews you want to see. To get the fitness product videos first, you can subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified with a notification as soon as a new video is uploaded. Number 5. Rhythm Fun Treadmill Folding Treadmill. Ultimate training customization. Optimize your workout routine with multifunction LED display, 15 automatic incline levels, 12 preset programs in manual mode. Easily achieve your personalized fitness goals. Premium shock absorption technology. Experience a quiet ride with a powerful 3.5 HP motor, suspended treadmill, and 7-layer soft running board. The unique design of this treadmill ensures stability and reduces stress on your joints. Slim design, sturdy construction. This treadmill combines elegance and durability with polished steel construction. The wide base provides stability and the large 24.4-inch tread provides comfort. Beauty meets functionality. Smart fitness innovation. Monitor your heart rate with the YFit Fitness app. Enjoy music with the Bluetooth speaker and enhance your workouts. These treadmills combine the latest technology and fitness for a comprehensive training experience. Easy storage and transport. The hydraulic folding system allows you to enjoy space-saving convenience. With a maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds, this portable treadmill is easy to store and move with the wheels on the bottom. Rhythm Fun Treadmill Folding Treadmill is the best incline treadmill walking. This may be your best cardio on the treadmill. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Incline Treadmill. Smart Fitness. Sunny Health and Fitness can run with the experienced trainers of Sunny Health and Fitness through the SunnyFit app. Connect your favorite mobile device via Bluetooth and view performance metrics in real time. SunnyFit app. Enhance your fitness efforts with professional trainer-led workouts on the SunnyFit app. The SunnyFit app is downloadable and has over 1,000 workout videos to fit your schedule and goals. Work with expert trainers through the SunnyFit app for real-time tracking, personalized instruction, and customized workouts. Use this innovative app to compete on leaderboards, share your experiences, track metrics, explore training maps, and more. Auto Recline. Upgrade your cardio routine with 15 incline levels. Provide enough resistance to achieve maximum burn every time. You can use shortcut buttons to quickly adjust the seat back at 3, 6, and 12 levels, or use the quick access button to adjust at 2, 4, and 6 miles. The fitness treadmill's tread dimensions of 49L x 15.5W provide plenty of room for even long strides. Digital monitor can track speed, time, distance, calories/area, steps, and body fat percentage. A hand pulse sensor monitors your heart rate while you use the 9 built-in training programs. Device holder. Keep your phone or tablet safe and convenient with a practical device holder. Can use bottle storage space for hydration. Portable. Built-in transport wheels and hassle-free folding design make the treadmill easy to fold and transport. This soft drop system eliminates the risk of accidentally dropping the treadmill base and damaging your floor. Get down on the treadmill deck and watch it descend slowly and steadily without risk of injury or damage. Shock absorption. Integrated shock absorption provides smooth and quiet training. The Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Incline Treadmill is the best speed and incline treadmill for weight loss. Treadmills may be your next best move for weight loss. Number 3. TRX3500 Incline Treadmill. This ensures that the treadmill runs smoothly and quietly. TRX3500 treadmill can support up to 300 pounds at a speed of 0.6 to 10 miles per hour. 15 incline levels, 0% to 15% incline for a fully optimized workout according to your goals. The higher the incline of the treadmill, the more calories you burn. Foldable treadmill with 47.2 by 17-inch treadmill, more comfortable and safe. The inside is designed with 10 shock absorbers, 2 layers of anti-slip and an extra layer, and a running board that cushions your knees. muscles and joints. Digital LCD display with 18 preset programs: speed, incline, time, distance, calories, heart rate. Download the sports app to check your workout data and more. If you want to buy the best treadmill for home, check it out. Best small treadmill for home with incline. Number 2. Renault Foldable Treadmill. Powerful 3.0 HP motor and 12% incline. The folding treadmill is equipped with a quiet 3.0 HP motor, supports speeds up to 10 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour, has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, and an automatic slope of 0 to 12%. You and your family provides a more free and comfortable running experience. Removable treadmill desk. The walking treadmill comes with a removable treadmill desk. The 26.2 by 10.5 inch desk offers plenty of space for your laptop, books, and more. This means you can work while walking. Bluetooth speaker and wireless charging. Place your phone or tablet on the device holder. You can charge your personal devices using a wireless charger. LED display and 40 programs. Advanced performance monitor measures various metrics and data such as time, incline, speed, distance, calorie burn, heart rate, fitness goals, BMI, and more. Challenge your fitness with 36 preset programs, 3 custom user programs and 1 manual program. Large running belt and shock absorption. The Renault portable treadmill has a large running surface, 17.7 inches by 50 inches, allowing you to run comfortably and safely. Built-in shock absorption system and 7-layer non-slip running belt protect your joints better. Easy to assemble and use. The folding treadmill is very easy to assemble. Teak can be easily folded and placed in the corner of the room, suitable for small spaces. Renault aims to produce high-quality and reliable electric exercise bikes and treadmills. This company's team provides 24/7 lifetime service, listens to every customer and provides free replacement parts for 1 year. If you want to buy the best foldable treadmill, this is a very good quality smart treadmill. Number 1. XTERRA Fitness TRX3500 Folding Treadmill. Smooth and powerful, XTERRA engine with high torque and 3.0 HP. Easy to read 6.5-inch LCD display with bright blue backlight, clearly displays program profile, time, pace, speed, distance, calories, incline and pulse. A variety of motivational programs, 30 presets, 2 custom, 1 heart rate control and manual options. Handlebar mounted speed and tilt controls, quick and easy changes on the go. Built-in Bluetooth FTMS support, connects to third-party apps like Zwift, Kinemap, Tax, etc. If you are looking for a treadmill with automatic turning, this is the best folding treadmill. This could be your next Auto Incline Treadmill.